What is up, beautiful people? Today I have the June Look Fantastic Beauty Box, and this is what the outside of the box looks like. They sent me this for a review purpose. I had actually already filmed this and my microphone wasn't connected and the audio was horrible. So here we are again. As always, they have this little notebook. It's the eco-friendly month, and it's really cool because not only do they have brands that are all eco-friendly in the box, but also in the back of the little booklet, they also have other brands that are planet positive beauty brands. And let's go ahead and jump in. The first thing in here is the Gentle Facial Buffer, and this is the So Eco one. And it's basically like this pad that you put on your hand and you're able to scrub your body with. And the packaging is recyclable, and this is basically like 100 sponges in one. So I thought that that was really cool of them, and it's made completely of cotton and flask. Next thing in here is the Rituals, the Ritual of Jing Relax Mild Body Scrub. This is Inner Path to Inner Peace, and it smells divine. It doesn't have lavender in it, but it has like a similar smell to that, where it's like really soft and nice and just relaxing. And I hope I really like it because mama needs some inner peace. Next thing in here is the next product in here is the Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. This is supposed to help the barrier of your skin. Oh my God, there is a fly in here, and I'm gonna have to kill it soon. So I'm sorry if you guys see that. The hell? Today's just like not my day to record. Anyways, let's try to get through this quick. Next thing in here is the Philip Kinsley Styling Finishing Touch. This is a polishing serum for your hair, and likewise another eco-friendly brand. Then we have the Spa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. It's supposed to hydrate and soften your under eyes. And then the last thing in here is a Dr. Lip Tint, 100% natural moisturizing. It has a red pigment to it, and it has lanolin oil in it to help really moisturize your lips. That is all for the Look Fantastic June box. I have to kill this fly wherever it is. It's just annoying the crap out of me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this video is like all over the place, but thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribe to my crazy channel. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.